Since Velixo connects our ERP data to our worksheet, it's easy to navigate between Excel and our Sage Intacct instance. To help with this, Velixo has a drill down feature which allows us to select any Velixo value in our worksheet and see the accounts and transactions behind that value. Let's look at a basic example of how we can use the drill down feature. I want to see the underlying data that corresponds to cell D18, which is displaying the turnover for our general and administrative expenses. Keep in mind that the drill down feature can also be performed on certain Excel summarizing functions such as sum and average. To drill down on the cell, all I need to do is click the cell and select Drill Down in the Velixo ribbon. This triggers a refresh of our report so that we can ensure it contains the latest data from Sage Intacct, and the underlying summary data is retrieved from the ERP. Excel will create and open a new worksheet containing all the summary data for the value we selected for drill down. Excel has created a data table enabling us to facilitate sorts, filters, and even Copilot insights. Because there were multiple GL accounts associated with the value we chose, we see each GL account involved, the location and Sage Intacct reporting book associated with each account, the applicable date range, as well as the opening balance, debits, credits, total turnover, and closing balance after the application of each transaction. At the far left, we see the worksheet and cell from which we performed the drill down, as well as an additional hyperlink. So, if we want more information about this value, we can click on the corresponding link. This will create a new drill down to view the individual GL account associated with that value. Had our original drill down been done on a single account, we would have been taken directly to this worksheet. At the top, the cell from which we performed the drill down is shown, as well as the specific account, the reporting books, and the overall balances associated with that account. We see the Sage Intacct module and journal associated with each batch, the description and reference number of the batch, as well as the total debits or credits and the closing balance after the application of those debits or credits. At the beginning of each row is a hyperlink, which will take us to Sage Intacct, and will be taken to the transaction batch for the specific journal containing the data from the corresponding line in the drill down worksheet. Once we are done analyzing our data, we can return to Excel. The drill down worksheets are simply static, meaning if the data in our report were to change, the drill down sheets do not reflect that new data. So once we are done, we can simply remove any drill down sheets we created. That completes this video on using the Velixo drill down feature with Sage Intacct. Thanks for joining us.